project manager for the Cliffview and Burgess Road Water Main Renewal Project. As stated before, if you have any questions, please use the chat feature in the lower right side of your screen to ask any questions, and I will give you answers at the end of the presentation. Next slide, please. Cliffview and Burgess are two streets that are part of a larger project. The total cost for the entire project is about $4.4 million. We awarded this project to the Vallejo company. Some of you may have seen that we started this project or started the work back in April. We are scheduled to be finished with the work on your streets in July of this year. Next slide, please. So the work on Cliffview and Burgess will go from Roseland to Euclid on both streets. So on both streets, we plan on installing new 8-inch water mains, new service connections, new fire hydrants, and when we are finished doing all work, we will restore the streets. Next slide, please. As stated before, we will be installing 8-inch water main. We will be replacing the 6-inch or existing 6-inch on Cliffview with 1,810 feet of 8-inch water main between Euclid and Roseland. And on Burgess, we will be replacing the existing 6-inch water main with 1,661 feet of 8-inch water main between Euclid and Roseland. As I've stated before, this work will include replacing any valves, fire hydrants, new service connections, and we will also be restoring the pavement when the project is complete. A typical working day for our contractors or Vallejo will be between 7:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. If necessary, if there's any other circumstance of why they would need to work later, they can work until 7 p.m. If those situations do occur, we will try to notify residents in advance. Next slide, please. While we are doing construction, we will maintain traffic. Any resident that is affected will be informed well in advance. You should have received some kind of notification in the mail, whether it came from your council person or if it came from the contractor or Cleveland Water. We've laid down bypass on Cliffview. So that's the hose you see running up and down the street. It is connected to your outside water hose connection or spigot. So on Burgess, we will be doing the same thing. Also, water service and fire protection will be maintained throughout the project. You should not lose water service at any time during this project. If you do, on the next slide, we will have information on how to get that taken care of. Next slide, please. So as stated before, my name is Whitney Matlock, and I am the project manager. You can reach me at the listed phone number. Also, I have an inspector that will be on site at all times. His name is Aaron Clark. You can see his information there as well. We have Mark Edzema. He is from the Vallejo company. If there's any emergencies, you're more than welcome to call him. We've also provided an after-hours emergencies number that goes to Vallejo for any after-hours emergencies, whether it's anything wrong with the water connections or any outages, and you're more than welcome to call the Cleveland Water emergency line.
Okay, at this time, I'm not seeing any requests or questions in the chat. So that concludes our meeting of the Cliffview Burgess Water Main Project. Again, the meeting recording will be available on Cleveland Water's official YouTube channel. We want to thank you for joining us today. And if you require additional information, you're welcome to call the numbers in the questions and concerns space. And with that, have a nice day. Thank you.